The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XS Max for Virgin Mobile, guys. So the iPhone XS Max is now here at Virgin Mobile. So that is awesome. The iPhone XS Max is available in 3 colors, and it's also available in the 3 storage options. Alright. So yeah, it's available in gold, space gray, or silver. The 64GB iPhone XS Max is $999. The 256GB version is $1149, and the 512GB iPhone XS Max is $1349. And they're currently out of stock right now, and hopefully they'll get them back in stock very soon. So that's the phone right there, guys. As you guys know, your volume button's on the left side, your sound keys on the top left, and your power button's on the right side. And yeah, your power button's on the right side. Camera does stick out just a bit there. That's the front and back. And then nice phone and whatnot. I am a big fan of this phone. There's the back of the iPhone XS Max. You guys have dual cameras, Apple logo, and your iPhone logo there. There it is in the 3 colors: space gray, silver, and gold. Alright. Device overview. iPhone XS Max features a 6.5-inch Super Retina display with custom-built OLED panels for an HDR display that provides the industry best color accuracy, true blacks, and remarkable brightness. Advanced Face ID lets you securely unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay with just a glance. The A12 Bionic chip with next generation neutral engine uses real-time machine learning to transform the way you experience photos, gaming, augmented reality, and more. A breakthrough 12-megapixel dual camera system takes your portraits to the next level with portrait mode, portrait lighting, enhanced bokeh, and all-new depth control. Water resistance in iOS 12, the most advanced mobile operating system with powerful new tools that make iPhone more personal than ever. And of course, you guys only get 1 iPhone per order. Promotional pricing available only for select phones directly from Virgin Mobile. Blah blah blah. How it works is, you guys know, buy the phone you want. Wait for your phone to arrive, put no contract plan, keep your phone number, or get a new one. Specs on the iPhone XS Max. The iPhone XS Max weighs 7.34 ounces, so it is a bit hefty. Talk time 22 hours. A12 Bionic chip with next generation neutral engine. iOS 12. 6.5-inch Super Retina custom OLED display. The dimensions of the iPhone XS Max is 6.20 inches height, 3.5 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. It also features Bluetooth 5.0 battery information. It's built-in lithium-ion battery. It's not removable. If you guys want to see the full specs, it'll just take you right here. It will take you right here. So if you guys want to check out the full specs, come right here. Key features, like I said. So key features is 6.5-inch Super Retina display. It's OLED with HDR, IP68 dust and water resistant, maximum depth of 2 meters for 30 minutes, 12-megapixel dual camera with dual optical image stabilization, and 7-megapixel true depth front camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and smart HDR. Alright. Face ID for secure authentication and Apple Pay. A12 Bionic with next generation neutral engine. Wireless charging works for Q chargers, and it has iOS 12 of course with Mia emoji, screen time, Siri shortcuts, and group FaceTime. And what you guys get in the box is you get your standard Apple stuff, you know what I'm saying? So nothing really, you know, your standard Apple stuff. You guys get the iPhone XS Max with iOS 12, AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to 3.5mm, headphone jack adapter, Lightning to USB, USB power adapter, and documentation. If you guys need help with your iPhone XS Max, the Brett support is here to help out with that. And Bridge Mobile has you covered with brand insurance. Whether you are drop phone or just want peace of mind, you can protect your new phone from damage, loss, or theft for just $7 a month. Pre-loved and certified pre-loved phones are not eligible for insurance, and they guarantee a 100% money back guarantee and all that. So yeah, there it is, guys, the iPhone XS Max on Virgin Mobile. It's available in 3 colors, and then also available in the industry storage options. It's currently out of stock right now, but hopefully Virgin Mobile will have them back in stock very soon. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you guys me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.